This Disney DVD is enhanced with Disney's FastPlay, your movie and a selection of bonus features.
Walt Disney Pictures presents The Little Mermaid.
Oh my gosh.
For the first time ever on a 2-disc special edition DVD. Sing with me now. The adventure. The fun. The music. The classic story.
The child is in love with a human.
Disney's The Little Mermaid.
Yes!
Winner of 2 Academy Awards.
That's right.
Someday I'll be part of your world.
For the first time ever on a 2-disc special edition DVD. October 3rd.
What a soft shell I'm turning out to be.
New on Disney DVD. They're coming by land, by air, and by sea. To a party where the special guest is...
You! Welcome aboard! Yay!
Disney's Little Einsteins. Mission Celebration.
We've got a mission! Yahoo!
A triple-length adventure, including an all-new episode.
Come on! Start the countdown! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1!
You can join the Little Einsteins on a mission to save the party.
My balloon! Follow me, team!
And have their biggest celebration yet.
Great!
So grab all your friends. And don't miss a beat. Because it won't be a party if you aren't there.
We're going on a trip in our Go Rocket Go! Zooming through the sky.
From the hit Playhouse Disney series,
We need you!
Disney's Little Einsteins Mission Celebration. Coming soon to Disney DVD.
For the first time on DVD, Allie and AJ star in Cowbells.
Perfect time.
2 spoiled sisters are the best of friends and the worst of workers.
Living in the real world stinks.
But now their job is to save the family business,
Let's show them what the Cowan girls are made of.
including an Allie and AJ music video and a hilarious behind-the-scenes featurette. Disney Channel Original Movies presents Cowbells, new on Disney DVD June 27th.
Home Improvement Season 4 is dropping into a 3-disc DVD box set.
Hey, don't worry, Dad. Mom's always wanted a compact car.
It's 26 of your favorite episodes.
Party!
Filled with mischief,
Let's just say there was an unfortunate incident involving some glue and Vinnie McGurn's butt crack.
mayhem,
It has been horrible. It's been a nightmare. It's been 45 minutes.
and madness.
Are you insane?
Oh?
It's the Taylor family
Is this the kind of underwear you wanted for your little boy?
and the most unforgettable moments ever.
You would be a natural working with families.
Well, after surviving this one, I should get a Purple Heart.
And only on DVD, outrageous bonus features you won't see anywhere else. Home Improvement, the complete 4th season, coming to DVD. Add it to your collection.
The ladies who combine class with sass
Once upon a time, I had a butt you could bounce a quarter on.
are back and better than ever on DVD. The Golden Girls, the complete 4th season.
All right, count me in.
Join Dorothy, Blanche, Rose, and Sophia in their most memorable season yet.
Mom, what is going on here?
After
afterglow.
Featuring all 26 outrageous episodes, outstanding guest stars, and golden extras you won't find anywhere else.
I don't look right in American clothes. I have a more European body. Oh, in Europe, do they all have big butts, too?
The Golden Girls, the complete 4th season, now available on DVD. Also available on DVD seasons 1, 2, and 3.